Hey, what's happening, Shiba Inu community? So, as we head into the first week of January, let's take a look at what Shiba Inu looks like here to start the month. So, a price analysis for the start of January and the start of the new year as well. We've been kind of stuck in this 3.334 zone for a little while. We're going to jump into kind of where we see it going here for the rest of January. Real quick, let me just take the first sip. Better than ever. All right, so here we go. Shiba Inu is up slightly here, about 0.5% here in the 24-hour period. We could see that's what the yearly chart looks like as we come to a close here. The big pop in May, of course, and then the huge rally that we saw in October kind of was the big highlight for Shib. We found some consolidation here. You could see here in the past 3 months, we found some consolidation back in here where we were before the big pop, right? So we're kind of just coming right back in here, a little bit higher than when we were trading in these high twos. We're trading in these mid to low threes right now. Overall market is coming back today, up about 1.24% at the time of this recording. You can see here, Bitcoin is back up over 47,000, Ethereum over 3,700 for the time being. So with all of that being said, do want to take a look at number of holders because that is continuing to grow, which will be a huge indicator of how we perform in January and how we perform this year. We are slowly adding holders still during this time of, I don't want to say turmoil. That's not the right word, but downturn in the market. There we go. 1,111,000 plus holders here of Shib continuing to grow each and every day. And we're still sitting there in that number 13 spot, right ahead of Polygon and crypto.com, just below Dogecoin at the moment. So with all of that being said, we could take a look at our price analysis here and take a look at some of our important levels that we're watching. So the strongest resistance right now on the high side here is the 3924. All right, so on the way up, that's our first line of resistance, that 3924. The strongest support right now is way down there at the 2205. There is some other support there at the 30 level. Okay. There was initially support at the 3.4. We broke that support recently. We do have more at the 3.0, but the strongest level is down there at the 2.2. Again, going back to the chart, you could see why it's that way. That's how it was way back in here. If we go back out to the year, that's how it was way back in here when we were, trading at that 2.2 level down in here before the big pop in October. Okay, so we can go back over here. It says the market has maintained a bearish trend, and this is market wide. Okay, where the price refuses to rise because the bears hold off the market. By observing the market dynamics of the end of 2021, we can make predictions on how the cryptocurrency market will have a positive incline coming soon. We've been super choppy in the entire crypto market right now. I do think Shib is getting primed for a breakout. Now, on January 1st, the cryptocurrency experienced a flash crash where the price fell, but was able to regain its value shortly thereafter. The current price is hovering at that 3.4 level. Right now, 3.394 at the time of this recording. However, we're going to need Bitcoin to drive us forward, as always, right? Bitcoin's going to have to come to the rescue for us, take us to the promised land here in January. I think it will. Once we get some new money coming back in, a lot of people took profits there at the end of December. Once that money starts filing back into crypto, I think the altcoins then will make a nice turn for the better as well. So I'm holding steady right now. I'm not buying necessarily more Shib. If it did dip a lot lower here, I would consider adding to my position, of course, if it dipped down into the twos, for example. But right now I'm holding steady, being patient, waiting for this market to climb back up, and Bitcoin will drive us forward. Of course, Ethereum will help us with that as well. So hang in there. That's what I'm doing. I'm being patient. There are good opportunities out there all the time, though, in the market. If you want to know what we're doing, what we're buying, what we're selling, come on over. Of course, our Patreon now has a weekly podcast element. We talked about 4 different coins. One I'm going to do a deep dive on later today, but that one coin that I talked about in the podcast with Austin Hilton went up 240% yesterday. And that's why I'm going to do a video on it. People are very interested in it. So more to come on that. But if you want to know which ones we're looking at, what we're buying, what we're selling, when we're taking profits, become an insider today. You can cancel at any time. Link down below in the description. You can also save 15% off if you pay annually. Thank you so much for stopping by. Appreciate it. Smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.